Hi, welcome to another episode of Baja Homes. I'm Renee Sear, your Copala Realtor. Today we are in Copala, 4102. This is within the master development of Quivira, an 1,800-acre golf community with multiple subdivisions. We have $130,000 studios, all the way up to $4 million beachfront lots. There's a beach club here, there's hotels, there's spas, restaurants, golfing of course, with the two courses, Jack Nicklaus, one already in place, which is comparative to Pebble Beach, and another being built over the next 2 to 3 years, which will be PGA certified. We have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, ground floor with a blue line ocean view. Beautiful furniture, it comes fully furnished, granite countertops, marble floors. You'll see that the furniture is actually different here in the video than in the listing that will be attached to this video. Why? Because the owners decided to take that furniture and move it into their new house that they bought within this community that they love so much, and that's why this condo is for sale. So if you have any questions, you can email me at rsear@ronnieball.com or call me at 619-363-4140. Also share this video, and if it leads to a successful sale, I will donate $500 in your name to a local charity or animal rescue, and this is valid to 1 share. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And again, if you have any questions, contact me at the information listed here, and we'll see you soon.